Peter, Tamir from פיבונאצ'י.com, your special live members only. How are you this evening? How are you this afternoon? No trading today, but I thought let's do special live for my special members. Who is with me? Hi Offer, hi Shai, hi Faiz. Thank you very much for joining this live. This is special live for members only. You are more than welcome to ask me anything that you want, and I will answer everything that I can. So, how are you doing? Of course, we have futures, but it's not important. Bitcoin still going down. So, hi. Hi, Dudu. Hi, Amir. Hi, Shai, not Avishai. Hi, Shachar. Thank you very much for joining. This is a special live for members only. You can ask me anything that you want. This live, we will go over once again to the Fibonacci. Look at this. I want to go once again. First, I will start about the Fibonacci. I will go with you step by step on the Fibonacci, and I will show you why I use only Fibonacci and why I do not trust all the rest of the indicators. If you're here, say hi, don't be shy. This is special live for you, ladies and gentlemen, for my special members. Let's start. Do you see my screen? Do you hear me? Do you see me? I see a little bit of delay. So, I will talk about the Fibonacci sequence. I will talk about why I use only Fibonacci, why I do not use all the rest of the indicators. As a trader, I started my trading journey 7.5 years ago. It was November 2016. So once I got into trading, I didn't know anything about trading. I didn't know what I want to be. I want to be an investor. I want to be a trader. I didn't even know what a trader is and how to be a trader. So, as the most of us, I went to YouTube. I went to all the free sources that I can find. I watched thousands and thousands of YouTube videos, and I started trading. I started trading through my bank, and then I went to another platform, and then to another platform, and I switched also strategies. I watched this strategy, then it didn't work. Then I switched to another strategy and another strategy, and then I switched so many indicators that I wanted to find the golden. I wanted to find that one holy grail that will help me become profitable, to see where price might be heading next, what I want to do now. I wanted to go long, I want to go short, where to put the stop loss, how to manage risk, how to manage my emotions, how to manage everything that concerns surrounding trading. So I went, I think 90% of all these indicators, technical indicators, and I went through many strategies based on those indicators. The only thing that I found, that none of these indicators, none of these strategies really tells me what to do now. Is it the time to go long? Is it time to go short? Is it if I'm already long, is it time to go and close my position? So as you can see, first I put over here the most common. I will put here the 100. I've put it over here. I've put it over here, all the most common moving averages. I have here the RSI, I have here the MACD, the most common technical indicators most of the traders using? Now I have a questions. I have few questions. These questions I asked myself. If all these indicators really work, just one it work or two, and if all this free, with all this free information surrounding us in the YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, I don't know, Discord, all this free information and all these strategies and all these magic indicators, you can find many magic indicators here, right? What else do we have? You have strategies indicators, you have profiles, patterns, everything that you want. You have free. So why? My question is, why most of the traders, more than 95% of all traders, fail within the first year? Why is it? If the RSI is working, why most of us are failing? If the MACD is working, why most of us are failing? If the combination with two moving average together with the RSI is moving, so why are we failing? Most of us that try to be profitable traders, we are normal people. We have normal families, normal job. We studied, we have degrees, MAs, BAs, doctors. So why more than 95% of all traders fail? This is the question we need to ask ourselves. And what I found throughout time is maybe the tools that they teach us throughout the YouTube and 90% of all the courses and books out there, maybe it's not working. The tools they bring us, the tools they show us, the tools they teach us to use are not working. Just not working. So what I did is I started to break down each and every tool that I learned. I started breaking down the moving averages. We have the white, the 8, the 20, the 50, the 100, and the 200. Now look at Chewy. Broke above all time for all the moving averages. Is it time to go long? Maybe I missed the party, but it came from here and it was here also. So what do I do now? I will want to go and wait for a pullback, but a pullback for what? Pullback to here, to the 8 EMA, or maybe to the 20 EMA, or maybe to the 50, or maybe to the 200. Which one? Or take, for example, Amazon. It's time to go long, it's time to go short. Some will say, as long as it's above the 100 EMA, you're good to go. Some will say, above the 50. But look at this, look at the 50, look at the 20, look at the 8. Which one is better? The 20, the 8, the 50? None of them, right? None of them really holds support for Amazon's price. So none of them truly work. But this is Amazon. What about SMCI? Which one? Here you have the 100, right? What about the 50? Holding? Not bad. Holding here, holding here, holding here. How about Microsoft? None of them is really holding, right? Maybe the 200. Maybe the 20. So which one? But this is only on the daily. What about the SPY? Which EMA is holding better? The 8? Not really. The 20? Also not really. The 50? Also not really. The 100? But this is the SPY on the daily, right? QQQ. But now if I want to day trade on the 15 minutes chart on the QQQ. So which EMA holding now? The 8? The 20? Which one? None of them, right? So I came to conclusion that if I want the perfect EMA, the perfect moving average, what do I need to do? I need to start finding the best EMA, the best moving average for each and every stock that I want to trade and each and every time frame that I want to trade. I will never get out of it. Never. And look at QQQ. Look at the RSI. They tell us RSI above 70, it's overbought. We need to start selling our position, right? Look at this. Look left. QQQ, December 2023, above the 70 over here. Here, this is where it broke above the 70 at the 390. Until the next pullback, it gave us another 6%. Also here, broke above the 70 RSI over here. We got ourselves over here. Right? It broke above the 70 over here. And if we sold, once it broke above the 70, we lost almost 6% to the upside. What about the downside? Let's take the SPY, for example. Start buying when the RSI is below 30, right? Start selling. Look left. Start selling when RSI is below 30. It's never below 30. Never. Here. This is the 30. It never broke below the 30. Here it broke below the 30. Start buying, right? It's below the 30, oversold. Start buying. So if you bought, start buying over here. Because the RSI is below 30. Went down another 10%. Also here. Start buying. RSI is below 30. Start buying. Another 8% to the downside. So which one? Maybe buy above? Which one? Take the SOXX for example. Which EMA? And furthermore, if we take, for example, let's erase all these. Let's not put this and this and this. Let's put only the 100 and the 200. What's the difference between the 100 and the 120? Do you see any kind of difference? 4 points. And this? Maybe the 105. Why 100? Why not 105? Why not 95? Same, right? And basically, I don't care where price came from. I can look. Right? I can look with my eyes. Look left. Price of SOXX, middle of April, was 200. Now, 260. I can see where it came from. My problem is what to do now. What do I do? If I'm in position on SOXX, do I close the position? Or do I add to the position? And where do I keep my stop loss? Because the stop loss is the only thing we have full control of. So where do I put my stop loss? And this is where Fibonacci comes into play. I will take all the answers once I will finish this. Take Google for example, or do we have something? Let's take FT&T. Okay, we have a question. What about FT&T? Let's check FT&T. FT&T. How do I know? Also colors doesn't matter. Colors does not matter. Colors of the candles, they don't matter. They just don't. I can look left and I can see it's going down, right? So what do I care if it's red or green or purple or yellow or blue? I don't care. So the colors of the bars, the colors of the candles means nothing. But I need something to hold on. I want to know where price might be heading next. Like the question we have now from Dudu. Is it time to go long on FTNT? Let's see. How do I found that price follows Fibonacci? Go to the weekly. Look at this. Take one candle on FTNT. One candle. Let's take this one. Okay? Let's take Fibonacci on this candle. Swing low. If you know Fibonacci, you know you need to put the Fibonacci swing low to swing high, or vice versa. Swing high, swing low. In this case, we took one candle on the weekly. Swing low, swing high. It was January 22. Now, back to the future. Look where price is now. Look. Future. Let's take this one. Levels. By the way, this is my Fibonacci retracement settings. You're more than welcome to pause the video. Pause the live, pause the video once this live is over, and just copy it. And as you can see, it gave us from 1 week, 3 years ago, it gave us future support and resistance. Now you have everything that you need. Downtrend continuation below the 59 towards the 55 and the 50. Look left, it gave us this support. This support was resistance, support resistance. It gave us future resistance. Take it to the upside. It gave us future resistance. Long on FTNT above 62. Take AMD for example. Let's go back in time. AMD, let's go further back, further back. Let's go here. We know we need to put the Fibonacci on a trend. Swing low, swing high. Take Fibonacci on this trend. July 06. Swing low, swing high. Back to the future. Now, it didn't give me. Why? Because I didn't tell him to give me. It's a calculator. Look at this. Let's erase these ones. And look how Fibonacci will give you future support and resistance. 10,272, 1050, 10, 11, and let's do this one, 14. Let's work. Look, extension 14. Now you want more? You have 14,272. You have 14,618. 16 goes here. 16,272. 16,618. And this is how I know Fibonacci. This will be around 18 if I'm not mistaken. Let's check here. 18. Extension 18. Now 18. It's a calculator. You tell him, give me future sub levels for price action. And it gives you. Look. You want this one? It will give you 11,272. Boom. This is a 13. See? It gives you everything. And this is how I know that I can trust Fibonacci. from one candle 18 years ago. This is why I only Fibonacci and trend lines. Look at the weekly trend line you have here, trend line on the weekly. You take Fibonacci trend lines, and this is your trend line. Look where the trend lines, the Fibonacci trend lines, resistance, resistance, support, resistance. Of course, you can add more. Look, another support, another trend line. Ladies and gentlemen, it all comes down to Fibonacci numbers, Fibonacci retracement, Fibonacci sequence. No other, and it's not an indicator, it's a tool. No other tool, no other indicator out there can give you with more accuracy where price might be heading next. Now, if you want to really learn it, let me just adjust it a little bit here. Now, if you really want to learn how to anticipate the next move on price action with up to 85% accuracy, it's all about Fibonacci. Fibonacci and Fibonacci trend lines. That's it. No other indicator. So, who did I miss? Who did I miss? Who did I miss? Shachar, Yuval. It's not only for members. Well, you. Very nice, very nice. It's open for the public. Let me see. Yeah, it's open for the public. It was supposed to be members only, but it's open for the public. It's your gains. Not bad, not bad. Who else is with me? Johnson, hi. Ron, hi. What do I say about FTNT? We talked about FTNT. Hi, Shai. How do you handle a swing trade when entering a gap? When to enter, when to sell? For example, Dell. Okay. Let's check Dell on the daily. What do we see? We see a gap over here, and we know that more than 85% of all gaps got filled. Now you can take Fibonacci, right? Swing high, swing low. Let's default. No, this one. This one. Look at this. Swing high, swing low, went all the way to the 50% retracement, got rejected. Long continuation above Tuesday's highs towards the 159.67, and then this gap will get filled. Now, when do I sell? I never sell, but I just manage my position. I manage my stop loss. We raise our stop loss just below the previous support, right? The previous support is here. This is the support. So in my opinion, your stop loss should be just below here. Breaking above the 153.50, your stop loss should be raised to here. Breaking above the 159.67, above it, your stop should be over here. Now, thank you very much, Marina, for your subscribed. And once the gap is filled, you will see a touch at the 167, and in many cases, once a gap is getting filled, you will see a trend reversal. In this case, you will see a trend reversal to the downside. So what do? In many cases, it will, but in many cases, it will not. I don't want to close 100% of my position. Maybe Dell will continue to the 180. Maybe Dell will continue to the 211, right? I don't want to sell, but I can manage my risk to here, just below the 159.67, and maybe take partial out, sell. Let's say if you have 100 units of Dell stocks, quantity, maybe sell third of the position, 50% of the position, 75% of the position, but always leave some on the table with the proper risk management, because you never know what will happen next. Maybe Dell will give you another 15-20% to the upside. You don't want to miss it, right? This is how I handle swings. SMR, let's check SMR. I want to see those likes and subscribe, ladies and gentlemen. If you're already here, if it's open for the public, it was not supposed to be open for the public, but here we are. So just hit the like, hit the subscribe, will be super, super appreciated. SMR. Also, what do you need? You need Fibonacci. You have swing high, swing low, and look at this Fibonacci. It gives you a perfect resistance, right? You see the resistance. But we want to be able to find those support and resistance super fast. We can look left every time and try to find it by ourselves. It's no problem, but we want to do it quick, because the machines, we are against the machines, against the algos, and the algos that runs the market are super fast, right? And we are not machines. But Fibonacci gives us that advantage. Swing low, swing high. Look here how the Fibonacci gives you perfect resistance. Perfect. No other indicator will give you. Look, none of them. None. All these EMAs, all these moving averages, none of them gives you the next resistance. So I don't need them, because I can look left. I know that SMR came from 4.6, recent low, now at the 9.6. So what do I need all these lines for? What? It's purely noise. Clean your chart. All candles white. What do I care if all this is an uptrend, right? You can clearly see this is an uptrend. You don't need lines, you don't need nothing. We can see price going up. So what do I care if all these candles are green or red or purple or yellow? I don't care the color. Just to choose one color. Choose one color and just clean your noise. Now, this is your support. 8.38. Long continuation, and you will meet 11.20 and 13.21. Hi Lital, hi. BBAI. Let's check BBAI. Looking super bad, super bad. Next support, just take Fibonacci. This is your swing high. This is your swing low. Now, take it to the downside. Reverse. That's it. Your next support, 126. You can also take also to here. From here to here. Next support, 122. Below 122, 108. And you can clearly see downtrend until proven otherwise. Right? Downtrend. This is why you have trend lines. As long as it's inside these trend lines, this channel, the way is down. Hi Yitzhak, hi. Yuval wants DraftKings. DKNG. What do you see? What do you see? If you don't know how to read candles, I have the perfect solution for you. Go back to line chart. This is your line chart. What do you see? Bounce, right? You had downtrend. Now you see a bounce. Now you can take Fibonacci. Swing low, swing high. Swing high, swing low. Once again, perfect resistance. 43.60. 41.96 is the 95 is the support. Long continuation above 43.83. You will see 46 and then 49. Now you can turn back to candles and adjust it according to candles. Resistance, 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 future, support, and resistance. This is how we trade. That's it. This is how we analyze. Super fast, super easy. Trading should be first, analyzing stock should be super easy, super fast. And to know how to trade what you analyze should be very simple. Should be very simple system. You need 3-4 rules. That's it. It should be a very simple system. Where to enter, where to put your stop loss, and how much are you willing to risk on each and every trade. And this is exactly what I'm teaching. This is exactly what I'm teaching. Let's do it like this. 1 second. This is my website, the Fibonacci Traders website. Here. This is exactly what I'm teaching on my one-on-one mentorship program, or the same program, online expert program. It's the same as the one-on-one mentorship, but pre-recorded. And you have extra 13% discount. You have everything here. And you also have it in Hebrew, English, and Hebrew. What do you get? First, the one-on-one mentorship program, it's 4 sessions. Each session between 90 to 120 minutes. You get all Discord channels, you get the FTI, you get support, guidance for lifetime, and all Discord channels. Once again, I will repeat, one-on-one mentorship, one-time payment. You get 4 live sessions with me. 4 one-on-one live sessions with me, Zoom. Each session between 1.5 and 2 hours. You get lifetime access, support, guidance, FTI, all Discord channels. Everything that you need. I will walk with you hand by hand. For me, it can take. For you, I don't care how much it takes. If it takes you 3 months, if it takes 2 years, if it takes you 5 years, I will be there for you. As long as you want me, as long as you need me, I will teach you everything that I know, and we will walk together until you will start making money. And of course, you have the Discord. You have 2 trading floors. Trading floor in English, trading floor in Hebrew. The only Discord out there, multi-language. For English and Hebrew. You have channels for day traders. You have channels for swing traders, for options, for crypto. Same in Hebrew. Day traders, swings, futures, special requests, everything that you want. Join me, or you can take the online. It's the same as this, just pre-recorded. Also, you will get lifetime access to all the Discord channels. You will get lifetime access to me. You will get lifetime access to the FTI. Why lifetime access? Because I know it takes time until you will become profitable trader. It takes time. For me, it took around 2 years. But this is why I do what I do. I want to teach and I want to help each and every one of you shorten the learning curve. Make your learning time much shorter. All the links in the description below. Join me today and I promise you, you will start to see things even after the first lesson. You will start to see things differently. What else do we have? CDNS. Let's pick up the pace. CDNS. What do you see here? You take Fibonacci, swing low, swing high. Now, above Tuesday's highs, you will see 343 and 362. ISRG. What do you see? ISRG. Let's clean the chart. Uptrend. You can see the uptrend, right? What do I care what the color of the candles are? Green, blue, yellow. I don't care. Right? It's an uptrend. Take Fibonacci. Swing low. Swing high. You can take it also for here. Recent high. What do you see? 421 is the support. Long continuation. 456 and 480. We talked about BBAI. Hi, Dudu. Hi. Is there anything in IGV? IGV. What's it? iShares software. Same goes for ETFs. Take the swing low, swing high. Next, this is the support, 83. Next resistance, 85, 87, and 90. What else? You are right, Yuval. He's a good friend. He is a good friend. Hi. Hey. Can you say something about mRNA? I can say a lot of things about mRNA. What do you want me to say? Let's clean the chart. What do you see? Downtrend, right? Clearly see downtrend. No uptrend until proven otherwise. Take Fibonacci, swing low, swing high, swing low. Now, as you can see, the 137 from support to resistance. Next support is the 128. And you have this option channel that just got broken, right? This option channel just got broken. So once it's broken, no long for now. mRNA we just talked about just now. What else, ladies and gentlemen? What else should we talk about? What else? Where are the likes? Where are the subscribes? Everybody watching Euro. What's the score? Can somebody? Are there difference? No. No difference. You can do whatever you want with the colors. Whatever you want. You want it to be red. You want it to be yellow. You want it to be green. There is no difference. The color does not matter. Not in the lines, not in the candles, not in anything. The only thing that matters is, look now, Moderna. It all depends on the trend that you are trading. If you are trading this trend, you can stay long. If you are trading this trend, you're already out. If you're trading this trend, depends on which trend line you're trading, because trend lines are the true support resistance for price action. Let's take Moderna from here. Look at this. Moderna. Okay, let's take Moderna from here. From here. Uptrend. Fibonacci. What do you see? Let's take this one. Look how the trend lines give you support and resistance. Now you see an uptrend. So take these trend lines once again. From here. Look. Now you see how trend lines are the true support resistance for price action. This is why it calls trend lines. Thank you, Dudu. Very nice, very nice. Very, very nice. This is my new office. You have your Buddha, you see? And here also this little ding, my kids, my laptop when I go, some books, pictures of. Very nice, simple and nice. And of course, the bison. My bison. This is my dream. Still didn't see this animal in live. My dream is to go to the US, Montana, Yellowstone, and see this amazing beast. This is my dream. I don't care about cars, I don't care about Rolexes, I don't care about fancy restaurants. Simple life. Simple but fulfilling life. And I can teach you how to do it. This is what I call financial freedom. For me, financial freedom is not about the cars, it's not about the restaurants, it's not about apartment in Dubai, it's not about the Rolexes. It's about doing for my family and providing for my family all they need. I can provide for my kids private school in China. Private school in China are pretty expensive. It's around $1,000 per month per kid. Private school, international school, not Chinese school. I can provide together with my wife, of course. My wife is also working, but together we can provide to our kids, our daughters, almost anything that they need. After school curriculum, family vacations, closed neighborhood with guards. This is financial freedom. This is financial freedom. Germany leads. Good. Okay, let's talk about net. What do you see about net? Net, you have here gap. Net is going towards this gap. Swing low, swing high, and look, the 50% retracement. We can add the ratios over here. 50% retracement. Let's see. Continuation towards the 618. Then we will see some kind of a pullback. And then going towards the gap over here. What else? What else do we have? Uber. Let's check Uber. By the way, this is how I go over more than 900 names each and every weekend. This is how I do it. I look at this. I take Fibonacci, swing low, swing high. I get the support, I get the resistance, and then I decide whether it's an 8+ setups or not. Long continuation above the 7130 towards 7355, 6950 is your support. What else? CMG, Chipotle. Let's take Chipotle. You take Fibonacci. You also can take trend lines. Look at this trend line. Look how beautiful these trend lines are. Look, beautiful. Next resistance is around the 3570, 35 over here. No need to guess. Take Fibonacci. It will give you swing low, swing high. Look, only from this short-term trend. Look, swing low, swing high. All these above the one are the extensions. Future resistance. Support, future resistance together with trend line. Next resistance. Here, the 3500, above it, 3577. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how I do it. Once you join the Fibonacci Traders mentorship program, the online program or the live program, I will teach you everything that I know. Everything, how to read price action, how to find support resistance, how to use Fibonacci, how to use Fibonacci trend lines. Everything that you need to know until you will be able to do exactly what I do. How I chart, how I analyze, and how I trade, and how I keep my mental, how I keep my psychology behind trading. No fear, no FOMO. What else? TSEM. It's not a bull, it's a bison. It's a bison. What else? Tower Semiconductors. Swing low, swing high. You can take also this high over here. Right? Or this high over here. Now, this is your resistance. Broke above it. Next, you will see 41.74. 37.50 is your support. And you, of course, you have trend lines that will show you you're still inside an uptrend channel. Shopify. I talked about it in the morning stock market recap. Every morning stock market recap, Shopify is one of my stocks that I'm going through. Shopify now, some kind of a curl to the downside. Swing low, swing high. Look at this. Broke below this, the 382. Next support, this one, the 61.63. We need long continuation above the 67.27, which is also the 50% retracement. 1-1. Ooh. Let's check T. Thank you, Avia, for your updates. T, what do you see? T, trend lines. Look at this. You are still in an uptrend. Now you take Fibonacci. Swing low, swing high. Right? Your support now is the 17.94. Long continuation above 18.16 towards 18.45 and 18.81. By the way, if you want more information about my program, about the Fibonacci Traders program, you are more than welcome to ask me on Twitter or on my Discord. You are more than welcome to ask me anything that you want. I really do. I want to help you make money from trading. And yes, it costs money because knowledge costs money. Just think about the free information you get on my YouTube, on my Twitter, the free information that you get on my lives, on the every day. On trading days, we do 2 videos and 2 lives. Just think about it, what you will get once you sign for the Fibonacci Traders program. One-time payment for lifetime access. First, lifetime access to me, lifetime access to all Discord channels, lifetime access to the FTI, and more and more and more. And as you can see, it was supposed to be special live for members only. For some reason, YouTube opened it for the public. I don't mind. I love to do lives, but as you can see, I also do special lives for members only. All this with one-time payment. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Toda rabba. Thank you very much for joining this live. I do appreciate each and every one of you. The only thing that I want and I ask for is like, subscribe, check the links in the description below. Ladies and gentlemen, until tomorrow's pre-market live, everyone, enjoy the rest of your day.